Welcome back. This is round one action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The correct scores are Angels Primary on 8 and Mayfield Primary on 4. Mayfield Primary actually lost a point for the sports visual question. They gave the answer Shaquille O'Neal for the former NBA star, which of course is incorrect. It's Shaquille O'Neal. Time now for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between the captain of Angels Primary, Captain Amari Brown, is up against Raheem Edwards of Mayfield Primary. Captain Amari, we begin with you. What's the value of the 5 in 0.0156?
5,000.
That is correct. What is $3,500 increased by 20%?
$4,200.
That is correct, and I'm going to ask you to speak up a little so that we can hear you clearly. Captain, what's the equivalent on a 24-hour clock for 1:25 p.m.? I'm sorry, what's the equivalent time on a 24-hour clock for 1:25 p.m.?
1325 hours.
That's correct. Captain, what's the height of a triangle if the area is 125 centimeters squared and the base is 25 centimeters?
50 centimeters.
That's incorrect. Raheem, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 10 centimeters. Captain, what is 0.9 multiplied by 1.2? Question passes. Raheem, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 1.08. Raheem, we're now over to you. What's the place value of 3 in 9.0034?
3,000.
That is correct. What is... I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Captain, passes to you. Would you like to try?
Yes, miss. Thousandths.
That is correct. Raheem, what is $4,200 increased by 20%?
$4,900.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, miss. $5,040.
That's correct. Raheem, what's the equivalent time on a 24-hour clock for 6:25 p.m.?
1825.
Accepted. 1825 hours, that is correct. Raheem, what's the base of a triangle if the area is 210 centimeters squared and height is 30 centimeters? Question passes. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 14 centimeters. Raheem, what is 0.08 multiplied by 0.7? Question passes. Captain, want to try?
Yes, miss. 0.056.
That is correct. And that takes us now to our science face-off. It's between Joel Kogel of Angels Primary. Joel is up against Ashley Millington of Mayfield Primary. Joel, what's the SI unit used to measure time?
Seconds.
That's right. Which human organ stores urine before it is discharged?
Kidney.
That's incorrect. Ashley, want to try?
Yes, please. The bladder.
That's correct. Joel, a compass magnet that is free to turn. will always point towards which direction?
North.
That's right. What's another name for the eye socket? Question passes. Ashley, want to try?
No, thank
It's the
you.
orbit. Joel, which UN body uses the abbreviation WHO, as in WHO? Ashley, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the World Health Organization. Ashley, we're now over to you. What is the SI unit used to measure frequency? Joel, want to try?
No, miss.
It's hertz. Ashley, what's the name of the tube which carries urine from the kidneys to the bladder? Joel, want to try?
No, miss.
It's ureter. Ashley, what will happen if the north poles of two magnets face each other?
They repel.
That is correct. What's the name for the light-sensitive cells in the retina which give color vision? Joel, want to try?
Yes, miss. Rods and cones.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is cones. Ashley, which organization uses the abbreviation PAHO, as in PAHO? Joel, want to try?
No, miss.
It's the Pan American Health Organization. And that brings us to our next face-off. It's in the category of English language. It's between Shanae Ross West of Angels Primary, who's up against Jayla Ebanks, the captain of Mayfield Primary. Shanae, spell the word neigh, which is the sound that a horse makes. Captain, want to try?
Yes, miss. Neigh.
That is correct. Shanae, by adding a suffix, form an adjective from the word faith.
Faithful.
Or faithless. That is correct. Shanae, identify the adverb in this sentence. The girl has a good habit of studying daily. Captain, want to try?
Yes, miss. Daily.
That is correct. Shanae, identify where the semicolon should be in the following sentence. The lawn was mowed, the hedges trimmed.
After mode.
That is correct. Shanae, without changing the tense, correct the error, if any, in this sentence. Either the girls or the boys has to do it.
Or should be nor.
Say again.
Or should be nor.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, miss. Either should be neither.
That's also incorrect. It's has should be have. Captain, we're now over to you. Spell the word draught, which is a current of cold air indoors.
Drought.
That's incorrect. Shanae, want to try?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
It's draught. Draught. Captain, by adding a suffix, form an adjective from the word peace.
Peaceful.
That's right. Identify the adverb in this sentence. How is Mary going to the party?
Going.
That's incorrect. Shanae, want to try?
Yes, thank you. How?
That is correct. Captain, identify where the comma should be in the following sentence. Listen to the music, Gloria. Question passes. Shanae, want to try? Shanae, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Is that no? Okay. It's immediately after music. Captain, without changing the tense, correct the error, if any, in this sentence. Neither the girls nor the boys wishes to eat lunch.
Neither should be either.
That's incorrect. Shanae, want to try?
No, thank you.
Wishes should be wish. And that brings us now to our final face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Caleb Lee of Angels Primary. Caleb is up against Malik Elliott of Mayfield Primary. Caleb, what's the capital of the Caribbean island of Anguilla?
The Valley,
That's right. Name the 3 parishes in Jamaica which border Portland.
St. Thomas, St. Andrew, and St. Mary.
That's correct. The Ciceroo is a bird found on the national flag of which Caribbean country?
Dominica,
That's correct. What's the name for the point on a globe where lines of longitude meet?
Prime Meridian,
That's incorrect. Malik, want to try?
Yes, Miss. North Pole and South Pole.
Accepted. The poles, that is correct. Caleb, complete this statement with the correct word. A narrow body of water joining 2 larger water bodies is called a?
Strait,
That is correct. Taking us now to Malik. What's the capital of the Caribbean island of Curacao? Question passes. Caleb, want to try?
yes please, Williamstad,
That is correct. Malik, name the 3 parishes in Jamaica which border Westmoreland.
Yes, Miss. Hanover, St. James, and St. Elizabeth.
That is correct. Malik, how many blue stripes are on the Cuban national flag?
3.
That's correct. What lines can be used on a map to show the position of places? Caleb, want to try?
yes please, Grids,
Or grid lines or lines of latitude and longitude. That is correct. Malik, complete this statement with the correct word. A narrow neck of land joining 2 larger land masses is called an? Caleb, want to try?
yes please, Isthmus.
That is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Angels Primary on 25 and Mayfield Primary on 12. Stay tuned, the final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.